Hey guys, what's going on? So a couple days ago I showed you how to make this origami box that has two sections, and for that video click right here. Well, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this variation that I just designed. Check it out. It's an origami box with 4 sections this time. See? And yeah, it looks really nice. But I want to warn you that it's more difficult than this model, so I recommend first trying this model before you attempt this one. So if you want to fold this one now, then here we go. Okay, so this model I folded from a sheet of origami paper that's green on one side and red on the other. But for this tutorial I'm going to use an ordinary sheet of 6-inch kami. So let's begin white side up and fold in half. You could also use a sheet of printer paper cut square. And if you do, you'll end up with one like this. Okay, unfold and fold to your crease. We're making an 8x8 grid of generalist creases. So if you know how to do that, then skip to this point. Okay, and now fold to the top. Okay, and now fold like this and fold here. Alright, turn over and fold in half. Okay, and here we have a paper fan. So let's unfold it. And now let's make the crease generalist. So let's turn over and make sure that the first crease is a valley and the second one is a mountain. So to make them generalist, we're gonna fold on the second crease, so we're going to reverse the mountain like this. So 2 units up and 1 unit down. So we're also reversing that valley. Alright, and we're going to do that all the way up. So 2 up, 1 down. 2 up, 1 down. And turn over and fold in half. Like that. Okay, and now they're generalists. Okay, now we're going to do that in the other direction. So either side up, and let's fold in half. And I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part. So if you don't remember, then rewind to that point. Okay, and now we finished the grid. So now we're going to make some pre-creases. So what we're going to do is, so first let's decide what color you want the inside of the box to be. So I'm going to make the inside of the box be orange. So begin inside of the box, color up, the orange side up, and we're going to fold in half, but don't fold all the way. Just crease in the middle segment, so from here to here, like this. Just these 2 segments in the middle, like that. I'm going to zoom in so you can see. Alright, and now crease on the end right here, just 1 segment. See? Like that. And same on the left side. So from here to there, just like that. Unfold, and now do that in the other way. Fold in half, but don't fold all the way. I'm going to do the ends first, so just crease 1 segment right here, and 1 segment here, and 2 segments in the middle. Like that. Okay, and now we're going to fold this point to the middle, and again, we're not going to fold all the way, we're just going to fold 1 segment right here, and 1 right here. So just the 2 ends, like that. Alright, and do that 3 more times. So fold this point to the middle, and just crease the 2 ends, right here, and here. Alright, and do that 2 more times. Okay, and now we are done with the pre-creasing, and now we're going to collapse it. So this is the hardest part of the model. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this crease the mountain and this crease the mountain, so the two middle ones. And we're going to try and form them both at the same time, so like this. Okay? And let's kind of just form the folds first. So we're going to make this crease a valley just from here to here, like this. See? So this is one wall of the box. Alright, and pinch the corner like this. So we're folding on this inner square. Like this. Alright, and just do it about like that, and do that 3 more times right here, so fold on the diagonals also. Like this, and then here. Okay, and it's starting to take shape. That's what the bottom looks like. Okay, and now this is the tricky step. Try and just form those folds. So we're going to take this edge, we're going to fold it right on that fold, on the existing fold, like this. Alright, and then fold on that fold also, like this. Okay, and then once you get about here, like this. This is even hard for me too. But yeah. Okay, and then fold right here too, like this. So that was a tricky move. I hope we can follow that. I hope you're able to follow that. Okay, like this. And then now we're gonna lock it by folding that point all the way to the bottom, like this. It's just like we're making a simple box. Like that. And crease that really sharply so it stays there. And there's really no way we can get rid of that flap. But yeah, but that flap, it doesn't bother me. Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna lock these as well. So same exact thing. So I'm gonna start at the corner. So fold this point to here. And it doesn't matter what direction you fold. You can fold it like this or like this. It's just like in my other box. It doesn't affect the lock. Okay. And then same right here too. Fold this point to this point. Do that all the way around. Alright, once you do that, here it is. Here is our origami box. And it has 4 sections on it. And yeah. And the bottom looks really nice too. See? So yeah. So you can put jelly beans in here. Any kind of candy. You can organize candy. Like you can put jelly beans in here, chocolate in here, gummy bears in here, and maybe sweet tarts in here. So yeah, so the nice organizer. So there you have it. Alright, well that was kind of a tough model to fold, so hope you guys had some luck at it. And if you weren't able to fold it, well, I have this much simpler version, and here's the tutorial for that. But alright, and if you did manage to fold it, well, congratulations, and I'd like to see a demo of it. So yeah, alright, hope you guys like this, and make sure you subscribe, and let me know what you think. Alright, bye-bye.